A robot vacuum is a handy tool for keeping your house or apartment looking tidy between major cleanings. It can be especially helpful in homes with pets, where clumps of hair can accumulate seemingly overnight. Different robot vacs have different purposes, so before choosing a product, you have to consider the requirements which are essential for you. If you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Kindly take a peek at the video description if you want to know more about the featured products or if you want to find links to buy them. Let's begin our list with the iRobot Braava Jet 240. It is a superior robot mop with precision jet spray and vibrating cleaning head that helps tackle dirt and stains. With its compact, smart design and iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the Braava Jet mops and sweeps hard-to-reach places like under kitchen cabinets and around toilets. You can attach a Braava Jet cleaning pad, and the robot automatically customizes cleaning based on pad type. In wet mopping and damp sweeping modes, the precision jet spray and vibrating cleaning head tackles dirt and stains. Eject and discard Braava Jet cleaning pads at the push of a button without ever having to touch grime or grit. You can create an invisible boundary with the built-in virtual wall mode to keep the Braava Jet in rooms without a door, such as kitchens and entryways. Next up on the list, we have the iRobot Roomba 690. It includes one dual-mode virtual wall barrier for more control over where your robot cleans. With a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface, the brushes pick up everything from small particles to large debris. Also, the patented dirt detect sensors alert the Roomba to work harder on concentrated areas of soil, such as high traffic zones of your home. It comes with intelligent sensors to guide the robot under and around the furniture to help thoroughly clean your floors. It runs for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. The dirt detect sensors recognize concentrated areas of dirt, like in high traffic zones of your home, and provide additional cleaning in those spots. Further, the edge sweeping brush is specially designed at a 27-degree angle to sweep debris away from edges and corners. Another advantage is that you can clean and schedule your robot vacuum anytime from anywhere with the iRobot Home app. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus vacuum empties automatically so that you don't have to think about vacuuming for weeks at a time. It has patented dirt detect technology that recognizes concentrated areas of dirt, like high traffic areas, and provides additional cleaning in those spots. The auto-adjust cleaning head automatically adapts its height to keep the multi-surface brushes in close contact with different floor surfaces, to effectively clean carpets and hard floors. Also, it offers iAdapt 3.0 navigation with V-Slam technology that allows the robot to map its surroundings to seamlessly and efficiently clean an entire level of your home. It automatically empties the bin into a disposable bag that holds 30 containers of dirt, dust, and hair. You can monitor cleaning activity, view cleaning history, and watch maintenance videos with the help of iRobot Home app. Another advantage is that you can enjoy hands-free control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Up next on the list, we have the iLife V5S Pro. It is specially designed for hard floors, and with a smart water tank installed, the V5S Pro pulls more deep-seated dirt and grime off your levels and maintain them gleaming every day. Advanced eye-dropping technology makes mopping more efficient and reliable. The enhanced 2600 mAh lithium-ion battery pack extends V5S Pro running time up to 140 minutes. With the help of front obstacle sensors with TPU bumper, it can avoid barriers and protect your furniture. It is noticeably slimmer than most robot vacs, rising only 2.76 inches off the ground, and it has a diameter of 11.81 inches. Also, it's fitted with a HEPA filter, which catches 99% of all dust particles. Another specialty is that it delivers power without being too noisy, with a sound output of 55 to 60 decibels. The next product on the list is the iLife V3S Pro. With a sturdy suction passage, it does an impressive job of picking up dirt, dust, pet hair, and fur without tangling caused by hairs blocking into the roller. Its low-profile design can reach under the sofa or bed where dirt hides. You can use the Auto Clean feature by pressing the mechanical button on the robot, or you can choose from 3 cleaning modes with the remote: Auto Mode, Edge Mode, and Space Mode. Its 3 built-in underneath infrared sensors intelligently detect stairs to avoid falling off. Plus, it automatically searches charging dock and returns home when the battery gets low. With extra large Road Rover wheels, it can glide across from hard floor to low pile carpet or ride over door trims to realize smooth cleaning. On the other hand, the maximum climbing height, 10 millimeters, and the LED indicators on the product show the work status. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Shark Ion R85. This robotic vacuum has built upon a high-performing robot vacuum to deliver powerful suction, XL capacity, and advanced sensor technology for an incredible solution to everyday cleaning. With 3 times more suction power in max mode, it adeptly handles debris, pet hair, and carpet and hard floor cleaning. Its self-cleaning brush roll combines with dual edge and corner brushes to capture hair, dust, dander, and allergens to prevent everyday buildup. You can schedule cleaning or start your robot vacuum from anywhere with the Shark Ion Robot app, or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Another advantage is that it provides an increased sensitivity to obstacles and objects that helps to avoid stuck situations and complete the cleaning job. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.